Hello guys, welcome back to the update. If it's your first time here, kindly like this video, click on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bells. That will be helping the channel so much. So in twist of fate, the dramatic is finally gonna come to a close as Rhea commits suicide and Rhea knows the truth. Abby and Pragya are gonna meet in these stations. So keep watching to find out how Abby and Pragya meet each other. So guys, kindly continue subscribing, liking, and because the channel is really literally growing. So we thank you so much. Alavi tells Rambir to break his relationship with Prachi and slaps him. Alia calls Abby selfish and tells him to take strict action against Prachi. Later, Alia meets Rhea. Pallavi shows Rambir Rhea's condition at the hospital. Please note that this is Tasha's, but not not we are not copying anything from the series. We don't have all rights to this series, and also don't forget all rights reserved to Star Life and Z World series. So let's continue with this update. Abby tells Prachi to stay away from Rhea and Rambir. Prachi tells Pragya about Rhea's attempt to suicide and Mr. Mera's ill words for her. A furious Pragya goes to meet Mr. Mera. Guys, before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit on notifications on, and also click on the subscribe button. We're really growing. We're really doing well on this channel, so continue subscribing, guys. Let's reach like 100k subscribers. That will mean a lot, and you can get notified with the full updates. And don't forget, we are not copying anything. If we are copying something, then just look at the description box below. Let's go. Rambir tries to tell Jit that he is in love with Prachi. The lights in Abby's factory are switched off on Alia says so. Pragya arrives there and unknowingly expresses her anger towards him. The two come face to face with the truth when the lights come back on. What will happen in this series? The truth is finally revealed. They know that their daughters, their names. What will happen next, guys? Find out on my next sessions. Thanks so much for watching for the updates. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe button hold on, and also share the videos. We thank you so much for watching from the updates, and continue subscribing. Let's reach like 100k subscribers. We love you all, and we'll see you guys next.